Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Amin Maths Club. So we have a nice simplification problem, a very nice Olympiad math problem, that is square root of 3 plus 1 whole to the power 10. We have to simplify this. So starting our solution, let us suppose that this term inside bracket is equal to x. So x is equal to square root of 3 plus 1, and it is our equation number 1. If x is equal to this one, then here x to the power 10 is equal to this one. So we have to find out x to the power 10 here. Now for finding this one, that first of all, shifting this positive 1 to our left hand side, we get x minus 1 is equal to square root of 3. So taking square on both hand side, so here we have x minus 1 whole squared is equal to square root of 3 whole squared. We have just x squared on both hand side, so cancelling square with square root, here we are going to use a minus b whole squared, this identity, algebraic identity. Then we have a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So applying here, then we get x squared minus 2 times x times 1, and here we have plus 1 squared is equal to 3. Now our next step will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 squared is equal to 1. Now here x squared, that is, if we just shift these two terms to our right hand side, then we get x squared is equal to 2x plus 2x and 3, that is minus 1 plus 3. So we have x squared is equal to, that is 2x plus 2 plus 3 minus 1, we get plus 2. So let's say it is our equation number 2, which is a very important equation here. So x squared is equal to 2x plus 2. Now if we take square again on both hand side, then here we have 2x plus 2 whole squared. So x2 squared will be x to the power 4 is equal to, it is a plus b whole squared, as we know that a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So applying this formula here, then we have 2x whole squared plus 2 times here 2x times 2 plus 2 squared, that is equal to x to the power 4 is equal to 2x squared is 4x squared. Here we have plus 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times x, which is 8x, and plus 4. Now here we have x to the power 4 is equal to 4 times this x squared. This x squared is actually from equation number 2. We see that x squared is equal to 2x plus 2. So here we put that equation 2, that is x squared is equal to 2x plus 2. So putting this value here, then we get 2x plus 2 plus a times x plus 4. Our next step will be x to the power 4 is equal to 4 times 2 is 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 4. That is x to the power 4. We have this 8x plus 8x, we get 16x plus 8 plus 4, we get plus 12. So it is the value of x to the power 4. Let's say it is our equation number 3. Now taking again squared, because we have to find the value of x10. So here taking squared, x4 whole squared is equal to 16x plus 12 whole squared, using again the same identity on our right hand side. So it will be 4 times 2 is 8 is equal to, here we have 16x whole squared plus 2 times 16x times 12 plus 12 squared. So here we get that x to the power 8 is equal to 16x squared. That is x to the power 8 is equal to 16x squared. Here we have 16x squared, so we just put that 256. 16 squared is 256 x squared plus 2 times 16 times 12, we get 384 x, and plus 12 square is 144. Now our next step is, now x to the power 8 is equal to, here we have 256. Now putting the value of this x squared from equation 2, as we know that it is equal to 2x plus 2. Recalling our equation 2, so it is equal to 2x plus 2. Now plus 384x plus 144. So here x to the power 8 is equal to 256 times 2x, we get 512x plus 256 multiplied by 2 is 512 plus 384x plus 144. Now adding like terms, we have x to the power 8 is equal to 512x, and this one 384, we get 896x plus 512 plus 144, we have 656. Let's say it is our equation number 4. Now we have find out x to the power 8, and we have also from equation 2, that is x squared. So if we multiply x squared and x to the power 8, we get x to the power 10. So this is what we have to prove, that if we are going to multiply, that is multiplying equation number 2 with equation number 4. Here we have our left hand side of equation 2, it is x squared, and right hand side is 2x plus 2. So we have here x2 times x to the power 8, that is equal to, right hand side of equation 2 is 2x plus 2 times, here we have 896x plus 656. Now we have to multiply these, our left hand side and right hand side. Here we have x to the power 2 plus 8. According to algebraic identity, bases are same, power will be added. So here we have, it is equal to, now multiplying this one, then here we see that if we just take 2 is common here, then we get x plus 1 times 896 and 656. So if we take 16 is common, then we have, here we get 56x plus 41. Now here 2 times 16, that is equal to 32, and our left hand side is x to the power 2 plus 8 is 10. So we have to solve, and this on left hand side, right hand side of this equation. So here we have 32 times 56x plus 41 times x plus 1, it is x plus 1. Now x to the power 10 is equal to, that is 32 times 56x. So first of all, here we have 56x. Now multiplying this 56x with x, we get 32 times 56x squared, plus time plus is plus, 56x times 1 is 56x, then plus 41 times x is 41x, plus 41 times 1 is 41. Now x to the power 10 is equal to, first of all adding like terms, then we have 56x squared plus 56x plus 41x, we get, here we have, that is plus 56 41 is 97x plus 41. Now we know that this x squared from equation 2, x squared is equal to 2x plus 2. Putting this value here, then x to the power 10 is equal to 32 multiplied by 56 times 2x plus 2 plus 97x plus 41. Now x to the power 10 is equal to, here we have 32 times, that is 56 times 2, we get 112 x plus 56 times 2 is 112 plus, here we have 97x plus 41. Now 97x and 112x, we have to add this. So x to the power 10 is equal to 32 times, here we get 209x, and adding 112 and 41 we get 153. So we also know that from equation 1, if we just recall our equation 1 is x is equal to square root of 3 plus 1. Now putting this value of x here, then we have x to the power 10 is equal to 32 times, here we have 209 times square root of 3 plus 1 and plus 153. Now x to the power 10 is equal to 32 times, now multiplying this 209 into parentheses, we get 209 times square root of 3, 209 times square root of 3 plus 209 times 1 is 209, and here we have plus 153. Now our next step is x to the power 10 is equal to, that is 32 times, here we have 209 times square root of 3, and it is plus 209 plus 153, we get 362. Now x to the power 10 is equal to, multiplying this one, 32 times 209, here we get, that is 668 and 8 times square root of 3, and plus 32 times 362, we have 11584. So if we just rearrange this one, then we have x to the power 10 is equal to, x to the power 10 is equal to, that is 11584 plus 6688 square root of 3. So it is our final value of x to the power 10, and it is actually our result. So now recall our entire problem step by step. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So here we have the simplest form of this problem, that is square root of 3 plus 1 whole to the power 10, that is, it is actually equal to 11584 plus 6688 times square root of 3. So it is our final simplest form of this problem. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day. Goodbye.